So guys, this is the a typical quartz clock machine, sorry. And as you can see, this is the stepping motor, and all gears are connected to first of all this rotating and this magnetic gear over here, little gear, and then one by one it connected to each other to run, to run the watch. So let's open this component, this electric circuit, and see what is the power running here. So friends, we open this component. As you can see, so this is the main electric circuit which is assembled in this quartz clock. So here you can see there is two metallic coated here for to get power from this shell, for this from the shell to this electric circuit via from these terminals. As you can see, these are metallic terminals over here. When we put battery cells over here, then power comes from this metallic terminals from this electronic circuit. So by getting the power, it starts its working, as I said. So here is the main component of this electronic circuit. So here is the main component for the electronic circuit. The two terminal of this this is first a crystal oscillator. The work of the crystal oscillator: when crystal oscillator get power electricity from the circuit board, it goes in the crystal oscillator. So in the crystal oscillator there is, as said, in a crystal, after going the electricity in the the quartz crystal starts vibrating, and the vibrate as 32,768 hertz as per second, and that vibration goes from second terminal again to this electric circuit. So the electric circuit and then this electric circuit converts this vibration to the electric pulse signals. Listen guys, this vibration turns to an electric pulse signal, which then goes the vibrations, that is 32,768 vibration, divides and converts into one electric signal for 1 second. So how does that divides that vibration converts into electric pulse? That is a big question, and the answer is very simple. When the vibration comes from this electric circuit to this stepping motor, the work of a stepping motor to convert that vibration to the electric signal. So after getting 1 hertz of electric signal, this you can see here is a little magnetic gear is there. Let me show you. Here is, you can see there is a stand, and there is a metal stuff which is attached to the stepping motor, and here is a little black, you can see the black stuff attached to this little gear. See how it is small, and this is a little magnet. So the phenomena is going on. What is here? You can see the copper wires are winded upon a plastic. It's like a solenoid something type, the stepping motor. So stepping motor converts that vibration to a signal, and that signal comes as a magnetic field stuff, and that magnetic field and this magnetic field from this magnet both interact with other. Then it will start rotating, and it designed so accurately that when they are interact with each other, the gear will rotate, and then all stuff will rotate. Let's see how it works. So before going to see the phenomena, let me show you another stuff. This is the crystal oscillator, quartz crystal oscillator, inside this cylindrical capsule, which is soldered, as I show you here. Here is fitted to this electric circuit, and here is the you have question, what is the black bulb over here circuit? So every electric circuit has a one problem, that is thermal effect. Means high flow of electricity, then it will before for heat, for the thermal, it will melt the electric circuit. So for that phenomena, there is this is a black bulb, nothing but it's a chemical paste over installed here to control, to neutralize the heat, to control the heat. If we can't control the, if we don't control the heat, then the whole circuit will melt and we can't get result output anything. So okay, my main part is here. Here is the crystal oscillator. The crystal oscillator is lasered or cut in so that they took shape a tuning fork. And the size of this crystal oscillator is 4 mm and the thick of is 0.3 mm. The thickness of this crystal oscillator, you can see guys, there is so, it is so tiny. My finger is so bigger than this. You can see very so small. And guys, one thing remember, this is very small, and also it creates 32,768 hertz per second. That tells us size doesn't matter. So I applied a shell, some potential to this circuit. I applied a potential to this circuit, and that potential goes through the terminal to that crystal oscillator. In this crystal oscillator, the quartz crystal vibrates 32,768 hertz per second, and that vibration comes to this stepping motor, and stepping motor converts that vibration to 1 hertz electric pulse, the signal, and that pulse you can see, and that signal interaction between this magnetic field and that electric pulse put this uh, force on this gear, and it start splittings. So guys, sorry for it is broken circuit. So if you get a good machine, then it will rotate this gear, and then this simultaneously all will gear rotate in such a way that 1 hertz become a 1 second, we can see in the handset on a face tile. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.